What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it. We have a special unboxing today. This unboxing is, well, you already know it from the title. It's the EcoBoost, or should I say Razor EcoSmart electric scooter. So without further ado, let's get into this box here, see what we have. It's like the basket. There's the basket. Bam! All right, stick that on the back of your scooter. Can y'all see that? Let me see. There it is. There's the basket. All right. It's already aired up a little bit. We have these seats right there. Go ahead and open that seat up. There it is. Really pretty heavy. Oh. There it is. Yeah, pretty heavy. Alright. Looks like we have the bike rack that goes on the back. There it is. Looks pretty cool. Alright, there's the handlebars, of course. Plug and play, and then you screw it down even more. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to unscrew this a little bit to get that over it. So I'm gonna need to get some tools. I don't think they, well, maybe they did include them. Yeah, they did. Okay, cool. Just some Allen wrenches. Nothing special. There it is. Let's get a close-up real quick. Got that little grip right there. Yeah, pretty cool. So let's get this thing together. Bag right here. I guess the charger. Here's the charger for the 3.6. Says do not use it for the first time until you charge it 12 hours and fully air it up. So I guess we'll do that. Now let's see if we can get this to go on. Yep, a whole lot easier. It said it should take 30 minutes to assemble this. Nope, it's gonna be a breeze. I don't know who's taking 30 minutes to do just this, but there it is. It is on. Is it straight? Matters what side it goes on. After looking at it, yeah. Looks like it's a little crooked. Maybe I just need to, oh yeah, okay. Maybe I just need to tighten it first. There we go. That makes sense. This tool sucks. We got it on there. I think I'll use my real tools to tighten it a little bit more later on. But we got it on there for the most part. Whew, need some deodorant. Let's get some real quick. Okay, so let's get this lined up straight. Come on, I didn't do it enough. What does this say over here? Do not use this product for the first time until you have inflated the tires and correct PSI. Charge the battery 12 hours. Not sure how high I'm going to do this. I don't know yet. Let's see. I guess we can start with it right there somewhere and go from there. Look straight. So where do we want this basket? I think we want it down low. Yeah, we can put it way down there, that's fine. For now, it would get stuff dirty if it's in the basket. Let's see. No, come on, shrimp. Jeez. Screw just want to go in. Save my life. We're getting there. We are in. So we can set it about right there. Make sure this is straight. I think this is perfect height. Yeah, because I could over here is the on and off switch. It's on. Let's give it a little throttle. Just lift it up. Oh yeah, thing got some throttle. We better turn it off. Let's listen to it. We got to charge it for 12 hours first. There it is. The finished product. That's pretty cool. All right, look at that. Like the little kickstand that's on it. So yeah, the next time you see a video about this thing, it's going to be now actually. Let me go get the lights that I got for it. Then after that, the next time you'll see anything on this is going to be when I'm riding it. And that's going to be tomorrow sometime. Monday, today's Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. So let's go ahead and get the lights. So we'll put the light about there, I guess. Oop. There it is. Oh, this thing is nice. I can't wait to get out. All right, y'all. That's it for this edition of the unboxing of the Razor EcoSmart. Can't wait to get on this thing and give it a go. Peace. What's up, everybody? Mr. Bald back at it. So, yeah, got the scooter. Rode it yesterday. Had a blasty blast. It was fine. I noticed that a while ago when I went to turn it on, it's freezing outside, so I'm not going to ride. But the tire was flat, and then when I aired it up, there was like a little bubble on one area. So I'm thinking something's going on with the inside of the inner tube. So we're going to change this. I haven't changed the tire since I was a teen. So let's change this and see what we have. I also noticed once I got through riding it for about 20 minutes and I parked it, it had a funny burning smell. I don't know if anybody has had any issues with that, but it smelled like burnt rubber for like a minute, then it went away, and then we rode again after that, me and the daughter, and it was fine. So I don't know if it was just plastic burning or what happened. But yeah, without further ado, let's see what's going on with this inner tube. Make sure it's all the way flat. Something's going on with it though, that's for sure. But I don't see anything. Was it just in there wrong or something? I don't know. Let's see. From the naked eye, I don't see anything. So we're going to air it up and see what happens. I hate dealing with aired up tires. All right, let's get the air pump. Let's see what we got going on. I definitely don't want to have to return it back to Amazon. A whole dang tire. See if I can see anything in there. Which I don't. I mean, I didn't even notice it yesterday. If it was like that the entire time or not. Who knows? Let's see. Take you on this journey to figure out what's going on with this tire. I won this at my last job. I have a video on it. The Power, what's that? The Power Dome NX by Wagon. I've had that for years. So if we look at it, it looks normal, right? Huh. So I'm not sure. Let me go run this through some water and see what we have. I'll be back. Alright, so I just ran it through water. I didn't see any bubbles. This is not leaking. or anything. What I'm thinking is it has a slow leak somewhere, or it was in there crooked, overinflated, and it went out. That doesn't make much sense. I don't know what it could possibly be. So we're going to put it back on, air it back up, and we'll see if it does it again overnight. If it does, I'll reach out to Amazon. I'll probably reach out to them anyway. Well, I'll just wait for tomorrow. I don't feel like dealing with it. I do notice there's a little bit of extra rubber. Perfect. It's even all the way around now. Let's see. Yeah, I noticed it was kind of twisted, so get it in there, air it up, and I'll let y'all know. I'm definitely going to keep y'all up to date with this thing. So that's it for now. Let me get it back in there straight, and then I'll kill the camera. I'll just keep it going just in case people want to see how to do this, which nothing special to it. Make sure all the air's out so you can get it in. Make sure it's on the rim. And most important, like I said, make sure it's straight. Before it was like twisted way over here, so that means the whole inner tube was twisted. Now it's not, so let's get this on. You can just kind of start it with your finger, of course. Once you get over here, get that in there, careful not to pinch the inner tube. This is the part over here where it's going to get a little bit harder. Stretch the tire. Boop. Try not to scratch up the rim. Last piece. Come on. There it is. Alright, so it's in there, it's straight. Let's air it up, see if we have that same bubbling that we had a while ago. If not, I think I'm pretty confident it's going to stay aired up, but we'll see. I don't know why it was completely flat though. Aired up pretty good, so I don't see the same bubbling that it had before, because the inner tube's in there straight and I cut that extra plastic piece off, and it's not completely aired up. It's strong enough. So yeah, we're gonna go from there and I'll let y'all know. Talk to you soon.